What is up guys, and welcome back to the video. And in this video I'm gonna talk about my free 1-hour one-on-one call center coaching session with me. Because guys, I've been receiving a lot of messages on my Facebook page saying that sometimes they are confused or nalilito sila kung paano maging call center agent, kasi there's a lot of information online kung paano maging call center agent. And yes, sometimes we get overwhelmed sometimes of too much information. So what I'll be doing is I'll be giving away a free 1-hour one-on-one call center coaching with me through my Facebook page chat, or sometimes we're gonna have some Zoom coaching sessions as well, no? Para masagot ko po yung mga katanungan nyo, mabigyan din kita ng mga tips kung paano maging call center agent, and give you the directions that you need, no, to become a call center agent. No, so all you need to do is to message my Facebook page the time and date that you are available, so I can check my calendar and schedule if I'm also available, no? Para matulungan din kita at malaman ko kung nasaan ka na, no, sa iyong call center journey. No, that's it for this video guys. Once again, message me the time and date that you are available. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on my Facebook page.